In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1. We'll be walking you through a streamlined process to design a compelling landing page from scratch in just a few minutes. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already familiar with it, Squarespace is a fantastic platform for building beautiful websites with ease, offering a robust set of tools to help you craft the perfect landing page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. Next, look for the website section on the left-hand side and give it a click. This will bring up all the features related to your site's structure and design. Once you're there, click on Pages to start organizing and managing your site's content. Now you'll see a list of your current pages. Look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new content. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can choose Blank Page. Selecting a blank page gives you a fresh canvas to design your landing page with complete freedom. After choosing a blank page, you'll be prompted to name your new page. Choose a name that reflects the purpose or theme of your landing page. This will help you stay organized and give you a point of reference when managing multiple pages. With your new blank page ready, click on Empty Page to access and begin editing it. You'll want to enter the page editor, and from there look for the Edit button. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, click on Add Section. Here, Squarespace offers you two choices. You can either add a blank section or select from pre-designed templates. Templates are a fantastic starting point if you're looking to save time or need some inspiration. If you decide to choose a blank section, it allows for full customization. Alternatively, selecting a template can streamline your design process and provide a structure to work within. Whichever option you choose, you can always add blocks to customize it further. Now click Add Block to incorporate elements such as text, images, or buttons. Blocks are the building elements of your page, defining its content and layout. You can also choose to customize any template you select to ensure it matches your branding and style. To further refine your landing page, click Edit section. Here, you can modify the background and colors, ensuring your page's aesthetic aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, always remember to hit Save to keep your changes. Now it's time to adjust the page settings. Head to the Page Settings menu, navigate to the Navigation section, and explore the option to disable the header and footer. This step helps create a more focused landing page experience by removing distractions. Finally, if you wish, you can go to the general settings to make this landing page your home page. This designation can help direct all traffic to this page immediately, which is particularly useful for campaigns or special promotions. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a landing page using Squarespace 7.1, ready to showcase your content and engage your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.